Welcome to all. This is my second video of Chapter 4 Geography Class 8. In this video, we will learn about major crops, agriculture development and farm system of India and USA in detail. Major crops. A large number of crops are grown to meet the requirement of growing population. Crops are supply raw material for agro-based industries. Major food crops are wheat, rice, maize and millets. Jute and cotton are fiber crops. Important beverage crops are tea and coffee. Now we see rice as a major food crop. Rice is the major food crop of the world. It is a staple diet of the tropical and subtropical regions. Rice needs high temperature, high humidity and high rainfall. It grows best in alluvial clay soil which can retain water. China leads in the production of rice, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. Wheat as a major food crop. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It thrives best in the well-drained loamy soil. Wheat is grown extensively in USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. In India, it is grown in winter season. Millets as a major food crop. Millets are known as coarse grain and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soil. हम ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि मिलेट्स को ग्रो होने के लिए कोई नखरे की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. मीन्स वो किसी भी तरह की सॉइल में इजीली ग्रो हो सकता है. It is a hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to moderate temperature and adequate rainfall. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the types of millets. Other countries are Nigeria, China and Niger. Maize as a major food crop. Maize requires moderate temperature, rainfall and lots of sunshine. It needs well-drained fertile soils to grow. Maize is grown well in North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada, India and Mexico. Cotton as a fiber crop. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It grows best on black and alluvial soils. China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil and Egypt are main producer. It is one of the main raw materials for the cotton textile industry. Jute is grown well in the tropical areas. India and Bangladesh are the leading producer of jute. Coffee as a beverage crop. Coffee requires warm and wet climate. It grows well on well-drained loamy soil. Hill slopes are more suitable for the growth of coffee. Brazil is the leading producer of coffee, followed by Colombia and India. Tea as a beverage crop. Tea is a beverage crop grown on plantations. It needs well-drained loamy soils and gentle slopes. It requires cool climate and well-distributed high rainfall throughout the year for the growth of its tender leaves. Labor in large number is required to pick the leaves. Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka produces the best quality of tea in the world. Next topic is agricultural development. It refers to efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. How to achieve agriculture development? Agriculture development can be increased by increasing the cropped area, by increasing the number of crops grown, by improving irrigation facilities, use of fertilizers and high yielding variety of seeds. Moreover, the ultimate aim of agriculture development is to increase food security. Next topic is farm in India. Farmers have small farms. They use HYV seeds purchased from markets. They take advice from friends, elders, or government. They use tractors or bullock carts for plowing the field. They use tube well for irrigational activities. They rear livestock to earn more income. All the members of the family help him in various farm activities. The farmers take credit from the bank or the agriculture cooperative societies to buy HYV seeds and implements. Farmers are forced to sell the produce even when the market is not favorable to them due to lack of storage facilities. In recent years, the government has taken some steps to develop storage facilities. Farm in USA. Farmers have large size farmland. The farmers generally reside in the farms. Some of the major crops grown are corn, soya bean, wheat, cotton, and sugar beet. Adequate measures are taken to control pests that can damage the crop. From time to time, soil samples are checked in the laboratories to check whether the nutrients are sufficient or not. The farmer's computer is linked to the satellite which give him a precise pictures of his field. This helps farmers to use chemical fertilizers and pesticides whenever they are required. Farmers use tractors, seed drills, leveler, combine harvesters and threshers to perform various agriculture activities or operations. Grains are stored in the automated grain storage or dispatched to market agencies. Thank you.